How to trade gold cards in Monopoly Go. If you wish to trade for gold cards in Monopoly Go, first of all, you must wait for gold card trade events. So gold cards can only be traded during special events announced in the game. So you must always keep an eye on notifications or the events calendar. You can also join a trading group, so use the in-game chat or external communities like Facebook groups or Discord to find trading partners. You can also offer cards to friends, so select a friend from your in-game friend list, then navigate to the trade section. You can also select cards to trade, so choose the gold cards you want to trade and request the cards you need in return. You must also confirm the trade, because once both the parties agree, you can confirm the trade to exchange cards. This way you can also save duplicate gold cards for these events to complete sticker albums faster. I hope this video helped you. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.